from sine, we square root both sides to get rid of that, and then we can add the sine x over to this side. So we have 1 equals sine x. And we've done this before where we had it in critical numbers. And so we know x equals pi over 2. So after finding all of these steps from this one number, after finding all of these steps, we now have to, after analyzing, we have to sketch the graph. So in order to sketch the graph, we'll use all of these parts, and but from the first derivative and the second derivative, we're going to do the first derivative test here. This is where we tested on the intervals from the critical number, which was pi over 2, so we chose, and then the interval of the graph was 0 to 2 pi. So we'll go from 0 to pi over 2, and then pi over 2 to 2 pi, and then once we did first derivative test, we found that it's increasing always. And then from there, we went on to second derivative test to find out concavity. This also helps you find out the point of inflection. I didn't say that earlier. These are what you use in the second derivative test to find the point of inflection. And the point of inflection is where the concavity changes. So we used from these numbers these intervals, and then we tested them and found that this is concave up, down, up. So the point of inflection would either be here or here, but since pi over 2 is the vertical asymptote, that's not where the point of inflection is. It'll be at 3 pi over 2. So we know that the point of inflection, POI, is at x equals 3 over 2. And then from here we have all of our information that we need to do the graph. Okay, so here I've graphed out the graph that we need. The information that we used, especially, we have our x-intercept, which is 3 pi over 2, which is also our point of inflection. Also the point of inflection. And then we know it's a point of inflection because we have the concavity. So from 0 to pi over 2, this is concave up. This is the y-intercept, which is 1. So this is concave up. This is our vertical asymptote at pi over 2. And then this is concave down from pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2 because it's here. And then this concave down changes to concave up here at this point. So this is both the x-intercept and the point of inflection. And it's increasing here, it's increasing up, and then it's increasing from pi over 2 up this way. So then this is our final graph.